Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2014 Audi Q7 Premium Plus Edition, 3.0 supercharged V6. Just serviced it, drives really good. Exterior's in really good shape. A little bit of a scuff right here on the rear bumper. But besides that, she's clean. This vehicle has the all-wheel drive Quattro. Has 3 rows, leather, nav, backup camera, big panel roof. Check out the back here. The back seats here, and then you have a 3rd row, which they are foldable as well. Panel roof with the sunshade, the rear roof as well. Check out the inside here. Has 103,000 miles only on it. We'll go ahead and give her a start up. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056. Or you could text us or email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know somebody who might be interested in it. And also, if you have an Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche vehicle and you're in the South Mississippi area, definitely need service, give us a shout. Thank you.